What happens when a race car and a motorcycle collide into one extreme machine? Meet the Polaris Slingshot Roush, a limited edition high-performance road machine created through a collaboration between Polaris and legendary performance company Roush. Aggressive styling, raw power, and open-air adrenaline make this three-wheeled beast feel like it escaped straight from a racetrack. Built for drivers who want a racing-inspired experience on public roads, the Slingshot Roush combines bold design with serious performance. At its heart sits a powerful 203 horsepower engine paired exclusively with a manual transmission, delivering an engaging and aggressive driving experience. Lightweight construction and a low-slung stance give the Slingshot razor-sharp handling, while upgraded Brembo brakes with slotted rotors provide strong stopping power during spirited driving. The exterior is impossible to ignore. Finished in exclusive racetrack red. What if your sports car could spread its wings and take off into the sky? Meet the Samson Switchblade, a revolutionary three-wheeled flying sports car designed to operate both on roads and in the air. Engineered for adventure seekers and aviation enthusiasts, the Switchblade transforms from a street-legal vehicle into a two-seat aircraft in just minutes, offering a completely new way to travel. On the road, the Switchblade can reach speeds of up to 125 miles per hour while delivering an estimated fuel efficiency of 33 miles per gallon on the highway. But its real magic begins in the sky, where it can cruise at nearly 200 miles per hour with an estimated flight range of around 450 kilometers. The vehicle combines aerodynamic engineering with lightweight construction to deliver both speed and efficiency. Safety plays a major role in its design. The Switchblade features a whole vehicle parachute system, advanced digital flight controls, customizable dashboard displays, and climate-controlled comfort for both driving and flying. What if I told you the future of robotics is already here, and it can literally do backflips? Meet the Boston Dynamics Atlas robot, one of the most advanced humanoid robots ever created. Standing around 1.5 meters tall and weighing 89 kilograms, Atlas is built to move in ways that almost feel human. But this isn't just another machine. Atlas can run, jump, balance, and even perform backflips with incredible precision. What makes this robot truly impressive is its intelligence. Using advanced sensors and real-time vision, Atlas can understand its surroundings, avoid obstacles, and walk across rough terrain without losing balance. Its lightweight titanium and aluminum body gives it both strength and flexibility. What if a car could recharge itself just by sitting in sunlight? Meet the Aptera Solar Electric Vehicle, a futuristic three-wheeled electric car built for extreme efficiency and ultra-low energy consumption. A vehicle designed not around fuel stops, but around efficiency, aerodynamics, and near-continuous energy flow is pushing the limits of what transportation can be. Its standout feature is its aerodynamic teardrop-shaped body, engineered to reduce drag to levels far below conventional cars, allowing it to travel farther using significantly less energy. The vehicle integrates solar panels across its hood, roof, and rear surfaces, enabling it to generate enough energy in optimal conditions to add up to 40 miles of driving range per day without plugging in. This makes short daily commutes potentially solar-powered. For longer trips, it uses a high-capacity battery pack ranging between 25 kWh and 100 kWh depending on the model. What if your next motorcycle felt more like a spaceship than a scooter? Meet the BMW Motorrad Concept Link, BMW's futuristic vision of urban transportation, first revealed at the famous Concorso d'Eleganza Villa d'Este in Italy. This isn't just a regular bike. It's a bold concept designed to completely rethink how people move through crowded cities. With its sleek low-profile body, glowing futuristic design, and electric powertrain, the Concept Link looks like something pulled straight from a sci-fi movie. But the real innovation is hidden inside. BMW designed this machine to connect the rider, the bike, and even smart clothing through advanced digital technology. Unlike traditional motorcycles, the battery is built into the floor, creating a smooth and stable riding experience. Its stretched frame also makes getting on and off incredibly easy, especially in busy city environments. What if the road was never meant to limit you? Meet the Argo, the ultimate off-road machine built to take you far beyond ordinary roads and into places most vehicles could never reach. Everyone has an escape they dream about. Maybe it's a hidden fishing spot deep in the marshes where the water is calm and untouched. Maybe it's a campsite buried far beyond rough trails, fallen trees, and endless mud. Or maybe your adventure doesn't even have a destination, just a direction leading toward the unknown. That's exactly what Argo was made for. Designed to handle extreme terrain, Argo vehicles can power through mud, water, rocks, forests, and obstacles that would stop normal vehicles instantly. Its rugged build and powerful performance allow riders to explore remote locations with confidence, whether they're hunting, camping, fishing, or simply chasing adventure. But Argo is more than just an off-road vehicle. It represents freedom. The freedom to leave crowded roads behind. What if a motorcycle could deliver sports car comfort without losing the thrill of the open road? Meet the Can-Am Spyder F3S. A bold performance touring machine that blends aggressive styling with modern riding technology. Powered by a muscular 1,330cc Rotax engine producing 115 horsepower, the Spyder F3S delivers smooth acceleration and strong highway performance while maintaining excellent stability through its three-wheel design. The semi-automatic gearbox with reverse function makes riding easier and more convenient, especially during city maneuvering or parking. Advanced vehicle stability systems help improve control and confidence, giving riders a more secure experience than traditional motorcycles. Comfort is a major focus of the F3S. The relaxed seating position, spacious fuel tank, and touring-friendly ergonomics make long road trips far more enjoyable. Riders can switch between eco and sport riding modes depending on whether they want fuel efficiency or a more aggressive performance feel. What if you could ride a bike on top of water? Meet the Manta 5 Hydrofoiler Z1, a futuristic water bike that feels like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Instead of floating like a normal boat, this incredible machine lifts above the water using two carbon fiber hydrofoils, creating a smooth and almost flying experience across the surface. The Hydrofoiler Z1 combines cycling with water sports in a completely new way. As you pedal, a powerful 400-watt electric motor gives extra support, helping riders glide effortlessly through the water. The detachable battery provides up to 1 hour of ride time, making every session exciting and adrenaline-filled. Mounted on the handlebars is a smart display that lets riders monitor speed, power, and battery life in real time. What if your home could go anywhere on Earth without compromising luxury or strength? Meet the carbon fiber Earthroamer motorhome truck. Built for off-grid exploration, this expedition vehicle combines rugged capability with high-end living. Unlike traditional motorhomes, it uses a carbon fiber body, making it lighter, stronger, and more resistant to harsh environments. This allows better fuel efficiency while maintaining structural durability on rough terrain. Mounted on a heavy-duty truck platform, it's designed to handle remote landscapes, from deserts to mountains, without relying on paved roads. Inside, it functions as a fully equipped living space, offering sleeping areas, a kitchen, and essential utilities designed for long-term travel. A key advantage is its off-grid system, which often includes solar power, large battery storage, and water management systems, allowing extended independence from external resources. What if one machine could cut, process, and stack massive trees in seconds? Meet the John Deere 1270G. A powerful forestry harvester built to dominate some of the toughest working environments on Earth. Designed for professional logging operations, this massive machine combines raw strength with advanced technology to make tree harvesting faster, safer, and more efficient than ever before. The John Deere 1270G is equipped with a high-performance engine and a smart control system that helps operators work with incredible precision. From cutting giant trees to stripping branches and preparing logs for transport, this machine can handle multiple tasks without slowing down. What makes the 1270G truly impressive is its stability and control on rough terrain. What if your workout machine could also be your daily ride? Meet the LFN bike, a futuristic electric bicycle that completely changes the way people ride. Instead of pedaling like a traditional bike, the LFN bike uses vertical pedals, similar to a stair climbing machine. That means you're not just riding, you're getting a full body workout at the same time. Its unique design keeps riders standing upright, making the experience feel more comfortable and natural. The bike uses a smart gearbox system connected to the rear wheel, allowing smooth movement and adjustable resistance. Riders can even change speed and intensity by sliding the pedals along a stainless steel rail. Powered by a 350-watt front wheel motor, the LFN bike can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. What if you could turn your everyday shoes into electric skates in seconds? Meet the Blizz Wheel. The Blizz Wheel electric roller skates is built for people who want a faster, more flexible way to move around without carrying bulky gear. Instead of replacing your shoes, it attaches directly to them, instantly turning regular sneakers into electric skates. The design is simple but effective. Each unit includes a motorized wheel and a foldable foot platform that supports your weight while riding. When you're done, it folds back, so you can switch from skating to walking without hassle. Despite its small size, it delivers solid performance. The top model can reach speeds of around 15 miles per hour and cover decent distances on a single charge, making it useful for short commutes or quick rides around the city. Control is handled wirelessly. What if transporting horses felt less like logistics, and more like a luxury travel experience? Meet the STX Horsebox built on a Volvo FH chassis. This is a premium transport solution designed to move up to 8 horses safely and comfortably over long distances. Instead of a standard livestock trailer, it functions more like a luxury mobile unit, combining strength, safety, and comfort in one system. Inside, the design focuses on reducing stress for both horses and handlers, using smooth suspension, secure compartments, and carefully planned space. The driver experience is also upgraded, featuring leather interiors, automatic transmission, and multiple camera systems that provide clear visibility from both front and rear views. A built-in monitoring system helps track conditions inside the horse area, ensuring safety during travel. Additional features like a rear entry door and skylight improve accessibility and ventilation. What if your ride didn't just move, but carried you and your stuff on its own? Meet the Carry Robot Labs hoverboard. The Carry Robot Labs hoverboard takes a familiar idea and pushes it into something much more advanced. This isn't just a self-balancing board, it's designed to move on its own, carry weight, and navigate without constant control. What makes it stand out is how it operates. Using magnetic levitation, it floats slightly above the ground, reducing friction and creating a smoother, more stable ride. That alone changes how it feels compared to traditional wheeled devices. But the real shift is autonomy. It can follow routes using GPS, avoid obstacles, and even be controlled remotely through a smartphone. That means it's not just for riding, it can also carry your belongings while moving alongside you or independently. With the ability to handle significant weight and reach moderate speeds, it's positioned for multiple uses, from personal transport to delivery and short-distance mobility in urban environments. However, there are real challenges. Infrastructure, safety, and cost will determine whether this becomes practical outside controlled environments. Still, the concept is clear. Transportation is moving towards systems that don't just move you, they think, adapt, and assist. The question is no longer how you travel, but how much of that process can be automated. What if driving felt less like sitting in a car, and more like being part of the road itself? Meet the RYZR. The RRYZR isn't trying to be a typical car, it's built to completely change how driving feels. Created as a futuristic concept, it focuses less on comfort and more on connection between the driver and the environment. It's an open-air, four-wheel electric vehicle, but its design is anything but standard. At the front, it uses narrow, hubless-style wheels that resemble a motorcycle, while the rear features wider tires for added grip and stability. What really sets it apart is how it moves. The RYZR is designed to lean into corners, much like a motorcycle. That means sharper handling and a more dynamic driving experience, something most cars simply don't offer. Then there's the steering. Instead of a traditional mechanical connection, it uses a fully electronic system. What if one vehicle could handle deliveries, groceries, and even passengers, without fuel, noise, or stress? Meet the MA EC Cargo. The MA EC Cargo is designed to simplify how goods and people move through busy urban environments. Instead of relying on large, expensive vehicles, it offers a compact, electric alternative built for flexibility. At its core is a modular platform. That means you're not locked into one setup. You can choose different drive systems, frame options, and cargo boxes depending on what you actually need. Whether it's deliveries, groceries, or transporting people, the system adapts. It's also built for efficiency. The chainless design reduces maintenance, while swappable batteries keep downtime low. You can replace a battery quickly and keep moving instead of waiting around to recharge. There are multiple versions available, including 3-wheel and 4-wheel models, each offering different levels of stability and load capacity. What if airplanes could fly for weeks without using a single drop of fuel? Meet the future of solar-powered aircraft. Imagine an aircraft that doesn't rely on fuel, but instead runs on sunlight. That's the idea behind solar-powered planes, a new approach to aviation focused on efficiency, endurance, and sustainability. Instead of burning fuel, these planes use solar panels built directly into their wings and body. These panels capture sunlight and convert it into electricity, which powers the motors and onboard systems. To make this work, the design is very different from traditional aircraft. The wings are much larger to capture more sunlight, and the entire structure is built to be extremely lightweight. This reduces the amount of energy needed to stay in the air. One of the biggest advantages is endurance. Flying at high altitudes, above clouds and weather systems, these planes can stay in constant sunlight. That means they could remain airborne for days, weeks, or even longer without needing to land. What if rescue teams could reach you, even when no vehicle can? Meet the Grill Rescue Drone. The Grill Rescue Drone is built for one purpose: getting help to places that are hard or impossible to reach. In emergency situations, delays can cost lives, and this drone is designed to cut that time down dramatically. It can carry up to 100 kilograms, which means it's not just delivering small supplies. It can transport medical equipment, essential gear, or even compact patient modules in critical situations. Speed and range are key advantages. With the ability to travel long distances quickly, it can reach remote areas where ambulances or rescue teams would struggle due to terrain or access issues. What makes it even more effective is its intelligence. Equipped with thermal imaging and GPS navigation, it can locate people in difficult conditions, whether it's low visibility, rough terrain, or disaster zones. What if your next ride didn't just float on water, but dive beneath it like a shark? Meet the Jet Shark. The Jet Shark is built for people who want more than a typical day on the water. This isn't just about cruising. It's about switching between two completely different experiences in one machine. On the surface, it moves like a speedboat, fast, smooth, and easy to control. But the real difference shows when it dives. Instead of staying above water, it can slip below the surface, giving you a completely new perspective that most boats simply can't offer. Inside, it's designed for comfort, not just thrills. There's space for up to 4 people, and the enclosed cabin is air-conditioned, which makes a big difference during longer rides. Large side doors give you a wide, open view when you want a relaxed experience, or you can close them when pushing for speed and control. But let's be clear, this is a niche product. High cost, maintenance, and safety considerations limit who it's practical for. What if your travel trailer could turn into a full campsite, without the hassle? Meet the Romato Domino. The Romato Domino is built for people who want flexibility without giving up comfort. At first glance, it looks like a compact, modern trailer, but the real value shows when you start using it. It offers 2 main modes, depending on how you want to travel. In travel mode, everything stays closed and streamlined, making it easier to tow and more stable on the road. But once you stop, it transforms. With a simple setup, it opens into a functional living space. Inside, there's a comfortable sleeping area designed for 2 people, giving you a proper place to rest instead of a cramped setup. Switch to camp mode, and it expands further. The structure opens up, creating an outdoor living area with added privacy and space. You also get a built-in awning and a separate changing area, which makes longer stays more practical. The kitchen is designed for real use, not just basics. What if your regular bike could turn into an e-bike in seconds? Meet Scarper Disc Drive. For many people, electric bikes sound great until you deal with the weight, cost, and lack of flexibility. That's exactly the problem Scarper is trying to solve. The disc drive is a simple add-on that transforms your regular bike into an electric one, without permanently changing it. You don't need to buy a whole new bike. Just attach the system, and you instantly get electric assistance when you need it. The idea is control. You can ride normally when you want exercise, or switch to assisted mode when you need speed, distance, or an easier climb. Unlike traditional e-bikes, it's designed to be lightweight and portable. You can remove it, carry it, and take it with you, something most e-bikes simply don't offer. It also makes e-biking more accessible. Instead of spending thousands on a new setup, you upgrade what you already own. But there are trade-offs. Compatibility, battery limits, and performance compared to full e-bikes will matter in real-world use. What if your car could lean like a motorcycle and still feel safe and stable? Meet the Toyota i-Road. The Toyota i-Road is designed to solve a simple problem. How do you move through crowded cities faster, easier, and with less stress? This compact electric vehicle blends the feel of a motorcycle with the stability of a car. It has 2 wheels in the front and 1 in the back, but what makes it unique is how it leans into turns. Just like a bike, the body tilts when you corner, giving you smoother handling and tighter control in narrow streets. Because of its small size, it can slip through traffic and fit into parking spaces that normal cars can't use. That alone makes a big difference in busy urban areas. It runs on electric power, with a modest top speed and a range suited for short daily trips. Charging is simple. You can plug it into a regular household outlet. Safety hasn't been ignored. It includes features like a protective frame, airbags, and stability control. What if you could surf, without ever touching the water? Meet the Rip Surf. The Rip Surf is designed to bring the feeling of surfing straight to the streets. Instead of wheels that just roll forward, it uses special angled casters and a flexible deck that lets you carve side to side, just like riding a wave. That means you don't need to push constantly like a skateboard. By shifting your weight and pumping your body, you can build speed and keep moving smoothly. It feels less like riding and more like flowing. The board also gives you room to experiment. You can spin, slide, and carve in ways that mimic real surfing movements, making it more dynamic than a standard ride. Whether you're on sidewalks, ramps, or smooth roads, it adapts easily. Another practical detail: it doesn't roll away when you step off. What if your motorhome came with a rooftop lounge and a full home underneath? Meet the Skydancer Cabrio. The Skydancer Cabrio takes the idea of a motorhome and pushes it into something far more versatile. Built on a reliable base platform, it's redesigned with a unique 2-level layout that changes how you use space on the road. Up top, you get an open-air deck with seating for 4 and a folding table. It's perfect for relaxing, eating, or just enjoying the view. The electric roof lets you open or close the space depending on the weather, giving you flexibility without extra setup. Below, it feels like a compact apartment. There's a proper living area, a functional kitchen, a bathroom, and a rear sleeping space surrounded by windows for natural light. It's built for travel, but also for staying in one place comfortably. With onboard features like solar panels, battery storage, heating, and water systems, it's designed to support longer trips without constant reliance on external hookups. What if your glasses could translate languages, guide your route, and record your life, all without a phone? Meet the TCL Ray Neo X2. The TCL Ray Neo X2 is built to replace the need to constantly check your phone. Instead of pulling out a screen, everything you need appears right in front of your eyes. These are fully standalone augmented reality glasses, powered by advanced hardware that allows them to process information on their own. That means no constant phone connection, just put them on and use them. They come packed with features designed for real-world use. You can get notifications, translate languages in real time, follow navigation directions, and even capture photos or videos using the built-in camera. Control is simple. You can use voice commands, touch controls, or gestures to interact with the system, making it feel natural instead of complicated. Despite the tech, they're designed to look and feel like regular sunglasses. What if your first robot wasn't just a toy, but something you could actually learn from? Meet the XO2 Pi robotic dog. The XO2 Pi robotic dog is designed to make advanced robotics more accessible without overwhelming the user. Powered by a compact computing system, it brings real robotic capabilities into a smaller, more approachable form. Unlike basic robot toys, this one focuses on movement and interaction. It features multiple points of motion, allowing it to walk, turn, and respond in a way that feels more lifelike. Sensors help it detect and react to its surroundings, making interactions feel responsive rather than scripted. One standout feature is its built-in robotic arm, adding another layer of functionality beyond just movement. This opens the door to simple tasks, experiments, and learning opportunities for users interested in robotics. What if a motorcycle could lean like a sport bike, but grip the road like nothing else? Meet the Yamaha Nikon. The Yamaha Nikon takes a traditional motorcycle idea and challenges it at the core. Instead of two wheels, it adds a second front wheel, completely changing how the bike handles. At first, it sounds unnecessary. But in practice, those two front wheels give you much more grip, especially when cornering or riding on uneven or slippery roads. You still get the natural leaning motion of a motorcycle, but with added stability and confidence. Power comes from an 845cc engine, delivering performance close to sport bikes. So while it looks unconventional, it doesn't sacrifice speed or responsiveness. The real innovation is in the leaning multi-wheel system. It allows both front wheels to tilt together as you turn, keeping the ride smooth while improving traction. This makes long-distance touring more comfortable and less tiring, especially in challenging conditions. What if your home could go anywhere on Earth, no roads required? Meet the Unicat IN75 HDQ on the Mercedes-Benz Actros 6X6. The Unicat IN75 HDQ, built on the Mercedes-Benz Actros 6x6, is designed for extreme travel where normal vehicles simply can't go. This isn't just an off-road truck. It's a fully self-contained living space mounted on a heavy-duty six-wheel drive platform. That means it can handle rough terrain, remote environments, and long-distance expeditions without relying on roads or infrastructure. Inside, it's closer to a compact luxury apartment than a vehicle. You get a full living area, kitchen, sleeping space, and essential systems designed for long-term travel. Everything is built to be durable, reliable, and functional in harsh conditions. The real strength is independence. What if you could explore the ocean, without fully going underwater? Meet the Platypus Craft Submarine. This unique semi-submersible lets you experience both worlds at the same time. Part of the vessel stays above water, while the cockpit sits just below the surface, giving you a direct view into the underwater environment without fully diving deep. It's designed for smooth, controlled exploration, making it ideal for both adventure and research. The craft uses electric motors, keeping the experience quiet and more environmentally friendly while moving through the water. On the surface, it can reach speeds of around 8 knots, while underwater it moves at a steady 3.5 knots, allowing you to take in everything around you. It can submerge to shallow depths, giving a safe but immersive underwater experience. What if a bicycle worked without a chain at all? Meet the string bike. For over a century, bicycles have relied on chains and sprockets, but the string bike completely rethinks that system with one of the most unusual drivetrains ever created. Developed by Hungarian engineers and brought to market by Stringbike Kft., this innovative bicycle replaces the traditional metal chain with a rope and pulley mechanism. Instead of circular sprockets, the bike uses specially designed rocker arms connected to high-strength Dyneema ropes, which transfer pedaling power to the rear wheel through pulleys and cams. This unique setup delivers smoother and quieter gear transitions, even while the bike is stationary or under load. Unlike conventional drivetrains, the string bike also removes the need for oily chains and constant lubrication. What if your home could travel with you, without sacrificing luxury? Meet the 2002 Prevost XLII Liberty Coach 522. The Prevost XLII Liberty Coach 522 is built for those who want high-end living on the road. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a fully equipped luxury space designed for long-distance travel without compromise. Underneath, it's powered by a strong engine and smooth transmission, built for reliability over long journeys. But the real focus is inside. Thanks to its slide-out design, the interior opens up into a spacious living area. The kitchen is fitted with premium appliances, giving you everything needed to cook comfortably while traveling. The bedroom offers a full-size sleeping setup with storage and a dedicated space to get ready, while the bathroom is designed to feel private and complete, not like a temporary solution. In the main living area, you get comfortable seating, entertainment features, and even a fireplace-style setup. What if a luxury apartment could follow you anywhere in the world? Meet the Adria Coral 670 SC Plus, a compact luxury motorhome built for year-round adventures. Powered by a 160 horsepower Fiat Ducato turbo diesel engine and paired with a smooth new 9-speed automatic transmission, it delivers effortless long-distance driving while remaining easy to handle with a standard Class B license. Inside, the Coral 670 SC Plus feels bright and spacious thanks to its massive panoramic glass roof that creates a true indoor-outdoor atmosphere. The smart interior layout comfortably accommodates up to 5 people, making it ideal for families, couples, or full-time travelers. At the rear, an electric queen-size bed can be raised at the push of a button to create an even larger storage garage underneath. The kitchen comes fully equipped with a large refrigerator, freezer, gas burners, hot and cold water, smart storage compartments, and a kitchen fan. What if a robot could handle your daily tasks, so you don't have to? Meet AEO by Aeolis Robotics. Developed by Aeolis Robotics, AEO is a humanoid robot designed to assist with everyday tasks in real-world environments. It's not built just to impress, it's built to be useful. AEO can perform a wide range of functions, from opening doors and operating elevators to delivering items like medication. That makes it especially valuable in places like hospitals, care facilities, and assisted living environments where efficiency and consistency matter. The focus is clear: reduce workload and support people who need assistance the most, particularly the elderly or those with health challenges. It's also designed to be easy to manage. Through a mobile app, users can monitor and control the robot remotely, giving it flexibility across different settings. Regular software updates and continuous support mean it can improve over time instead of becoming outdated. What if setting up a spacious camping shelter was as simple as pressing a single button? Meet the Augu Aero Tent, a futuristic inflatable camping tent designed to make outdoor adventures faster, easier, and far more comfortable. Unlike traditional tents that require poles, tools, and lengthy assembly, the Aero Tent uses a one-button self-inflating system that allows campers to set up or pack down the shelter within minutes. Its standout feature is the unique spherical-inspired structure, which creates a roomy interior with impressive headroom and better airflow compared to conventional tent designs. Depending on the model, the tent can comfortably accommodate 4 to 6 people, making it suitable for family camping trips, group adventures, or relaxing outdoor getaways. The design also focuses heavily on comfort and outdoor visibility. What if your next car could drive you to work, then fly you to another city? Meet the Aero Mobile 5.0 VTOL flying car. This concept combines the key abilities of a car, a helicopter, and an airplane into one vehicle. It can drive on roads, take off and land vertically, and then fly forward like a traditional aircraft. Designed with 4 seats, it targets both urban travel and longer intercity trips, offering a faster way to move without relying entirely on road networks. The system uses electric motors and multiple propellers to handle both lift and forward motion, aiming to make flight smoother and more efficient. Another major focus is autonomy, with plans for advanced systems that could reduce the need for active piloting over time. While the idea is ambitious, it's still in early development, and real-world deployment could take several years. Previous models were priced in the luxury range, and this version is expected to follow a similar path. Still, the vision is clear. What if short flights became cheaper, cleaner, and actually worth flying again? Meet the Eviation Evio 810. This next-generation aircraft is designed to fix that problem by combining electric efficiency with traditional power when needed. Built to carry 76 to 88 passengers, it targets short routes that usually struggle to stay profitable. For very short trips, under 100 nautical miles, the aircraft runs fully electric, handling taxi, takeoff, and landing using battery power alone. For longer distances, it switches to 4 wing-mounted turboprop engines, which act as range extenders. This hybrid approach reduces fuel use, lowers emissions, and cuts operating costs compared to older regional jets. Inside, passengers still get a comfortable experience, similar to modern commercial cabins, with practical features like accessible restrooms. With hundreds of early orders already placed, it's clear there's strong interest from airlines. What if your entire house could arrive almost like furniture, and be ready in just days instead of months? Meet the A-Fold House. Traditional home construction usually takes months of labor, delays, and complicated on-site work. But the A-Fold House introduces a completely different approach, one designed around speed, flexibility, and smart modern construction. At first glance, these homes look like stylish, fully modern houses with clean architecture and comfortable interiors. But the real innovation happens before the house even reaches the property. Instead of building everything piece by piece on site, the home is manufactured in ready-made sections that are transported directly to the location. What if your car could escape traffic simply by taking off into the sky? Meet the Airbus pop-up concept. Traffic has been one of the biggest problems in modern cities for decades. The Airbus pop-up concept proposes a radical solution by combining ground transportation and air mobility into one fully modular system. Unlike traditional vehicles, the pop-up is built around three separate components working together: a carbon fiber passenger capsule, an electric ground module, and an autonomous air module powered by multiple rotors. Instead of owning a single car, passengers use an intelligent transportation network that adapts to traffic conditions in real time. The process is simple. A traveler enters their destination into an app, and the system automatically selects the fastest and most efficient route. On normal roads, the passenger capsule connects to the ground module and operates like a compact electric vehicle. But when traffic becomes too congested, the capsule detaches and connects to the aerial module. What if the future of rest wasn't a hotel room, but a private smart capsule built for work, sleep, and total privacy? Meet the AirPod Smart Napping Pod. The AirPod Smart Napping Pod is designed for a world where people need flexible private spaces anywhere, anytime. More than just a sleeping pod, it combines comfort, productivity, and privacy into one compact futuristic solution. Created by entrepreneur Mr. Grigamgo, AirPod introduces a new way of working, resting, and spending time in public spaces without sacrificing personal comfort. The pod is built like a miniature private room, giving users a quiet environment for sleeping, working, relaxing, or even taking business calls. Its modern capsule-style design focuses on safety, convenience, and isolation from noisy surroundings. Whether placed in airports, offices, shopping centers, or public spaces, AirPod creates a personal zone where people can recharge both physically and mentally. What if you could turn your regular sneakers into electric skates in seconds? Meet the AirTrick e-skates. Personal transportation is becoming smaller, smarter, and more portable than ever before. Meet the AirTrick e-skates, a compact electric skating system designed to give riders a powered boost without carrying around a bulky scooter or skateboard. Unlike traditional electric rides, these futuristic e-skates strap directly onto your existing shoes, transforming ordinary footwear into a lightweight electric mobility device within seconds. Each skate features a durable 6063 aluminum alloy frame, quick-release silicone straps, ankle support, and abrasion-resistant rubber wheels designed for stability and comfort. What if one video could upgrade your daily life, from productivity to comfort to security? Meet the Clocky Alarm Clock. This lineup brings together smart tools designed to solve real everyday problems, quickly and efficiently. Starting with the QBO Laser Engraver, a compact device that lets you create detailed designs on materials like wood, leather, and more, all controlled from your phone. It's small, precise, and built for creativity without complexity. Then there's the Zimo Wearable Foot Massager, focused on relaxation. With multiple massage modes, air compression, and heat, it's designed to help you unwind after long, tiring days without needing a spa visit. For outdoor use, the BioLite Alpenglow lantern offers reliable lighting and doubles as a power bank. What if a fully functional modern home could fit into a space smaller than many garages while still feeling comfortable to live in? Meet the 3 by 6 meters tiny house, a compact modern home designed to maximize every inch of space without sacrificing everyday functionality. Measuring just 3 meters wide and 6 meters long, this smartly planned tiny house delivers around 28 square meters of living space through a practical 2-story layout that includes a bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, and living area. Despite its compact footprint, the interior is designed to feel open and efficient rather than cramped. The ground floor combines the living room and kitchen into one connected space, helping the home feel larger and more welcoming. Large windows and a clean modern design further improve the sense of openness while allowing natural light to fill the interior. What if you could see the curve of the Earth without ever becoming an astronaut? Meet the Space Perspective Neptune Capsule. The spaceship Neptune capsule is designed to take ordinary people to the edge of space, without rockets, intense training, or extreme forces. Built by Space Perspective, this experience uses a massive high-altitude balloon to gently lift a pressurized capsule up to around 100,000 feet. At that height, you can clearly see the curvature of the Earth and the darkness of space above. The journey is slow and controlled. It takes about 2 hours to reach altitude, giving passengers time to adjust and take in the view. Then comes a period of floating at the edge of space before a gradual descent back to Earth. Inside, it's designed more like a luxury lounge than a spacecraft. You get comfortable seating, large panoramic windows, onboard refreshments, and even Wi-Fi for live streaming the experience. What if personal flight stopped feeling like science fiction and started feeling like a motorcycle ride in the sky? Meet the UDX Airwolf Hoverbike, a next-generation aerial mobility concept designed to bring high-speed personal flight into a more intuitive, rider-controlled experience. Built around a motorbike-style interface, it aims to make flight feel familiar while delivering radically new performance in the air. At its core, the Airwolf uses electric ducted fan technology to generate lift and thrust with improved control precision and reduced energy loss compared to traditional rotor-based systems. This design is intended to solve one of the biggest challenges in vertical flight: inefficient energy use during takeoff and transition to forward motion. Performance claims push it into extreme territory, with a top speed of up to 230 km per hour and acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in around 3 seconds. What if a private plane gave you jet-like performance without the complexity of a jet? Meet the Valkyrie ultra-modern canard aircraft. This retractable 4 to 5-seat aircraft is designed to deliver high performance while keeping the flying experience clean and intuitive. Built with a canard configuration, it improves stability and efficiency while maintaining strong aerodynamic control. Performance is a key focus, with takeoff distances around 1,500 to 2,000 feet, climb rates reaching up to 1,500 feet per minute, and a projected cruise speed exceeding 200 knots. Inside, the cockpit is designed for clarity, featuring a minimal switch layout and advanced Garmin G3X touch displays, reducing pilot workload. The cabin offers a premium feel with Italian-crafted seating and a spacious layout that rivals leading aircraft in its class. Structurally, it uses carbon composite construction for strength and durability, combined with precision machined landing gear and detachable wings for flexibility. What if your next ride wasn't just a car, but a head-turning, open-air machine built to feel like a supercar on 3 wheels? Imagine driving something that looks like it rolled out of a futuristic road movie, but feels like pure open-air freedom on 3 wheels. Meet the Vanhall Venice, a luxury 3-wheeled machine built for people who want something completely different. It's not your everyday car, it's part performance toy, part weekend escape. Under the hood, it packs a 1.5-liter turbo engine producing 194 horsepower. That means it's light, quick, and built for exciting open-road driving rather than boring commutes. Step inside and it feels surprisingly refined. Heated seats keep you comfortable, Bluetooth audio keeps your playlist going, and cruise control makes longer drives effortless. On the outside, it stands out instantly with bold colors like royal blue and sleek gray, paired with polished 18-inch wheels that demand attention wherever you go. What if electric motorcycles stopped looking conventional and started looking like machines from the future? Meet the Verge TS Pro, an electric superbike that completely rethinks how performance motorcycles are built. Instead of using a traditional drivetrain, the Verge TS Pro features a futuristic rear-wheel integrated motor that delivers an incredible 1,000 Nm of torque and 139 horsepower. The result is brutal acceleration, taking the bike from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. But speed is only part of the story. The Verge TS Pro can reach top speeds of around 200 km per hour while still offering a claimed riding range of up to 217 miles from its massive 20.2 kWh battery pack. And thanks to fast charging technology, what if your next vehicle was so small you could carry it like a laptop? Meet the walk car. Personal transportation keeps getting smaller, smarter, and more portable. Meet the walk car, a compact electric vehicle created by the Japanese company Coco Motors and often called the world's smallest electric car. Designed for short-distance travel, the walk car is about the size of a laptop and light enough to fit inside a backpack. Weighing only around 2 to 3 kilograms, this tiny mobility device offers a futuristic solution for commuters who want fast transportation without the bulk of a bicycle or scooter. Despite its small size, the walk car uses an electric motor capable of reaching speeds up to 16 km per hour, making it practical for urban environments, office campuses, airports, and short daily commutes. Riders simply step onto the platform and control movement naturally through body balance and positioning, creating a smooth and intuitive riding experience. What if a machine looked like a car, handled like a motorcycle, and carried the raw power of a supercar engine in a trike body? Meet the Wazuma V8M, an extreme hybrid vehicle built for pure performance obsession, not compromise. Designed with a radical four-wheel trike layout, it combines aggressive styling with engineering focused on maximum power delivery and road dominance. At its heart sits a 4.7-liter Italian V8 engine producing around 460 horsepower and 520 Nm of torque. That level of output in such a lightweight, compact chassis creates explosive acceleration and an unfiltered driving experience that feels closer to a racing prototype than a road vehicle. The design pushes a futuristic aesthetic with a W-shaped body structure and extensive use of premium materials like carbon fiber and leather. What if your road trips felt less like travel, and more like living in a luxury apartment on wheels? Meet the Winnebago Forza. This diesel-powered motorhome is designed to combine performance, space, and high-end living for extended journeys on the road. Built for versatility, it offers multiple floor plans, making it suitable for couples, families, or larger groups. Inside, it feels more like a modern home than a vehicle, with fully equipped kitchens, spacious living areas, comfortable sleeping arrangements, and integrated entertainment systems. Every element is designed to support long stays without compromising convenience. As a diesel motorhome, it delivers strong fuel efficiency for its size along with solid towing capability, allowing you to bring additional vehicles or trailers for added flexibility. The driving experience is built for stability and endurance, making it ideal for cross-country travel. Beyond comfort, the Forza focuses on reliable construction and thoughtful design. What if your car could split in two, and one half could fly you over traffic? Meet the Xpeng Aerote modular flying car. This concept redefines transportation by combining a ground vehicle and an aircraft into one system. It works in two parts: a four-wheel ground module for normal road driving, and a two-seater air module that enables vertical takeoff and flight. When needed, the air module can detach and fly independently, then later dock back onto the ground vehicle for easy transition between driving and flying. Both modules are fully electric, making the system cleaner and more efficient compared to traditional transport. Safety is also a key focus, with a distributed propulsion system designed to maintain stability even if one component fails. The goal is simple: reduce commute times and bypass traffic entirely in crowded urban areas. Instead of being stuck on roads, travel could shift into the sky when needed. Imagine skipping traffic, not by taking a shortcut, but by flying over it. Meet the Zapata Airscooter, a machine that looks like it came straight out of science fiction, but it's very real. Created by Frankie Zapata, this personal aircraft is designed to make flying feel surprisingly simple. Instead of complicated pilot controls, it uses smart technology and hand controls that make it feel more natural, almost like steering a vehicle in the air. And here's where it gets wild. Unlike many flying machines that stay up for short bursts, this one can fly for over 2 hours. It can take off straight up, hover in place, and cruise at speeds around 62 miles per hour. That means this isn't just a cool concept. It hints at a future where personal air travel could become part of everyday life. Would you trust a flying scooter to replace your car? What if camping felt less like surviving outdoors, and more like bringing a luxury living room into the middle of nature? Meet the Zempire, a premium camping setup designed to transform outdoor adventures into a far more comfortable and fully equipped experience. Instead of focusing only on basic shelter, Zempire creates complete campsite systems that combine spacious inflatable tents, modular furniture, cooking stations, lighting, storage, and relaxation areas into one highly organized outdoor living environment. The standout feature is the brand's rapid inflatable tent technology, which replaces traditional poles with airframe structures for dramatically faster setup and takedown. Large multi-room tents provide impressive headroom, ventilation, and interior space, making them feel more like portable cabins than standard camping shelters.